Hey there, I'm Jack from Environmental Services. Today, my team and I are excited to introduce the city's upgraded Induction Cooktop Loaner Program. Join us as we explore the benefits of induction cooking and provide all the details you need to get started. Let's head inside and see what's cooking.
Our new accessories are perfect for breakfast foods, and today I'm going to be making a bagel. To start the cooktop, you're going to want to pick your desired setting, and it also goes up and down by increments of 5. And then you're going to hit start. This induction cooktop is more energy efficient than gas or electric stoves. You have quicker cooking, it's healthier, it's greener, there's no fossil fuel burning with the open flames, and that makes it safer as well for pets or children, and it's also easy to clean.
This new accessory is perfect for making pancakes. We started this free program as a result of our Morgan Health Climate Action Plan, which includes full electrification of businesses and households, including stoves and HVAC systems.
Now we're gonna cook the grilled cheese sandwich. You can sign up by going to the Morgan Hill Environmental Services page. Scroll down to Climate Action and press Induction Cooktop Loaner Program. Fill out the form and one of our teammates will get back to you with an estimated pickup date.
Wow team, everything looks so delicious. I can't wait to try induction cooking myself. Make sure you sign up today to reserve your induction cooktop and try out induction cooking.